Pie! Hello my little pies! So today I'm with Cutie Pie! Never mind, I'm not with Cutie Pie. And today we're opening a surprise Hairgoals. And so far we have opened 10. And we've gotten no duplicates so far. And now we're going to open our 11th surprise hairspray can. We're on our last layer. This one weighs 274 grams.
I want to open. It's my turn.
You want to open? Cutie Pie! We got another pastel color right here, like Sow Bunny. This is our batch code number. There. Here is our sticker. We have a bow, daisies, black and yellow, black and white heart, and we got another lightning bolt. And here it says Bad Hair Day. Open this up. It looks like we're going to get Skater Girl.
It's hat.
Yeah, it's her hat. Here we have the keychain. Here.
The robot.
Robot. Here we have her checker shoes.
This big daddy.
I've seen shoes like this before. Yeah, in real life. Oh, in real life. Not in the little plaza. And here we have, I think it's an outfit. Yep. Her shirt is tied in a knot. Her shorts are dark blue, and she has a lighter blue on the ridge, and she has a yellow. The yellow on the sides. Here is a red sweatband. Almost forgot about that. Cutie Pie. Here is the bottle. Red, yellow with checkers. Oh, Cutie Pie, you got it open? Yo, a hairbrush. Here we have her. Open her up. She has red hair. I thought she was a blonde. She kind of looks like, she looks like Anna from Elsa, you know, from Frozen. She does not look like the one in the picture. Look at her with her red hair. And it looks like she's going to be a color changer. And she has a band-aid here. And she has socks. And it looks like her underwear is going to be checkers. Her hair is really tough, but not as tough as Sow Bunny's hair was really, really hard. But her hair is not that hard. So now let's go and see her color change. I'm gonna have the best color change ever. I'm here. So now we're going to color change her. See how she looks. Oh. Here she has fire on her chest. She has checkers for underwear. And she has red socks with blue stripes. Now, I'm going to get my awesome clothes on. Haha, be right back. So here is Skater Girl. Isn't she just adorable? She looks like Anna. But I noticed that she just has freckles on her hair. So adorable. And her hair is supposed to go down, but it just pops up. So I won't put the hat on. And so here is Skater Girl. She is number 11 on the third layer. She is a common, she is a color changer, and on the paper it looks like that she has blonde hair, but really she has red hair, and she weighed 274 grams. Anyways, bye my little pies. Come on, let's roll. Can't forget the juice.